Foreign accent syndrome is a rare medical condition in which patients develop speech patterns that are perceived as a foreign accent that is different from their native accent, without having acquired it in the perceived accent's place of origin. Foreign accent syndrome usually results from a stroke, but can also develop from head trauma, migraines, or developmental problems. The person is unaware of the change in their speech and may even find it difficult to understand their own native accent. The Fregoli delusion, or Fregoli syndrome, is a rare disorder in which a person holds a delusional belief that different people are in fact a single person who changes appearance or is in disguise. The syndrome may be related to a brain lesion and is often of a paranoid nature, with the delusional person believing themselves persecuted by the person they believe is in disguise. Codert syndrome, or walking corpse syndrome, is a rare neuropsychiatric disorder in which a person believes they are dead, or parts of their body are dead, do not exist, are putrefying, or have lost their blood or internal organs. People with this syndrome may become withdrawn, neglect their hygiene, and even lose interest in eating. Autobrewery syndrome, also known as gut fermentation syndrome, is a condition characterized by the fermentation of ingested carbohydrates in the gastrointestinal tract of the body caused by bacteria or fungi. Autobrewery syndrome is a rare medical condition in which intoxicating quantities of ethanol are produced through endogenous fermentation within the digestive system. The ethanol generated from these pathways is absorbed in the small intestine, causing an increase in blood alcohol concentrations that produce the effects of intoxication without the consumption of alcohol. Mirror touch synesthesia is a rare neurological condition in which a person feels the physical sensations that they see someone else experience. For example, if they see someone touch a hot stove, they may feel a burning sensation in their own hand.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.